What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold and sell. So if you like making money on crypto, make sure to subscribe. And guys, check out my picks here, my updates of Bitcoin updates. Every day I make a video on Bitcoin, Ethereum and the rest of the altcoins. I do the updates. And you can also join my group for free, Naked Crypto. I put some charts here. Let's go to the bottom. Like Solana, going for a correction. Crypto Index, going for a correction. Shiba News, Handshake, YouTube channel, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Matic, Avax, going for a correction. Ethereum, going for a correction. Ethereum, CRO going for a correction, Handshake, Solana, Shiba, Matic, Theta, Solana, Ethereum, Solana, Shiba, Doge, CRO, look at the drop, Matic, the pump, Handshake, target has been reached, some news, CRO keeps on dropping, some news, Crypto Index, exactly what I predicted, ABC correction, Gala, Ethereum, exactly what I predicted, ABC correction. And there's a request here if I can teach. So I put a post here if anybody interested for trading and investing course. So if you wanna trading and investing course, just comment down below. I need only a limit of 10 people to get started. And Matic keep on rising. Let's check the overall market. Nasdaq is doing great. S&P, Dow Jones, dollar index, gold. Looks like they're all doing good. Crypto index is a little bit down today. Bitcoin is in green. Ethereum in red. Matic in green. Solana in red. Cardano. Dogecoin. Shiba hot. Anyway guys, yesterday we see the charts of the overall market, like the S&P, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones. They're good. The dollar. So let's see the crypto index, what's going on. So crypto index, we predicted the ABC correction, and right now it's a little bit down right now. We projected this ABC correction, and now we're projecting 5 waves to the upside, but currently it looks like a bearish flag. Just to be aware guys, this is a bearish flag. It could go down guys. So one more wave to the downside, like maybe the series must be longer. So this would be our bearish scenario. Our bullish scenario, of course, we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Total market cap 1. We have the kopen handle. We break on the bullish flag, and currently it's forming another bullish flag. So eventually it will go up. Total market 2, excluding Bitcoin. Bullish flag. We broke another bullish flag here. So eventually it will go up, but we do have a trend line here though. So if the price broke on this trend line, so we might see the price go down. And total market 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kopen handle. We broke. Now we go for ABC correction. This one looks like a bullish flag too, so eventually it will go up. Bearish scenario though, we might still see the price drop here, somewhere here at trend line here. So let's see guys, this might form a different shape, like a triangle here. Let's see, so looks like it might form a wedge. So this is a bearish pattern, so we might see the price go bounce back and forth here, and we go to the downside. Bitcoin dominance, we have an inverted kopen handle. We projected the drop of market dominance. Right now we do have a touch 1 here, touch 2, touch 3. So these are triple bottom. We have a triple bottom. So eventually we might see the price of Bitcoin dominance will go up. This is a descending channel, which is a bullish pattern. So we might see the price go up. So let's see, guys. But we prefer Bitcoin dominance to drop, because if Bitcoin dominance drop, it means altcoin season. But let's see, guys. It might go up. It might still go down. But right now, this is also a bullish pattern. So let's see, guys. But this is good for Bitcoin though. Ethereum dominance, we have this kopen handle, possible formation of kopen handle. So after here, we go for a pullback and go up. But you never know, sometimes it just keep on rising. Just like similar chart of Shiba, just keep on rising, guys. No more handle, just keep on rising. So let's see, guys. So Bitcoin, this is my original chart. We have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I was expecting the price will go to somewhere at 80k, but the price of Bitcoin dropped on this ascending channel. Yeah, but you have to aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern, but my count is supposed to be here 4 and 5, but it dropped. Now this is technically incorrect. The wave 4 overlapped the wave 1. This is technically incorrect, so it really ruined my count. And if you go to the 4-hour chart, looks like forming like a bullish flag or ascending expanding wedge. This is a bearish pattern. So if we draw our Fibonacci, it already bounced at 0.618. So let's see, guys, if this one will still go up here. There's a resistance here. I know there's a resistance here. Let's see. So there you go, guys. There's a resistance here. So the price might go up here, then go down. So our measured move, let's say this one is your flagpole. So if we go there on this resistance, so our target would be somewhere here at 43, guys. Is that 43,000? Somewhere there, guys. 43,000, 42,000. So guys, just to be aware, guys, this would be our bearish scenario, guys. Yeah, I know we don't like bearish scenarios, so just be careful, guys. Ethereum, we have projected the ABC correction perfectly. And now, are we looking now for 5 waves to the upside? So currently, Ethereum is creating a expanding wedge. So our bearish scenario though, looks like this one is a bearish flag. So that could be our bearish flag. That will be our bearish scenario. Our bullish scenario, we might see the 5 waves to the upside now. So just be careful, guys. Solana, we projected perfectly the ABC correction. And now are we looking for 5 waves to the upside? So Solana is creating an expanding descending wedge. So we have ABC correction. So this is a bullish pattern. So yeah, so bearish scenario though, we might still see the price go down here. Cardano is actually on like a kopen handle, but supposed to be the handle should be going down, but instead it created a ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern. If you zoom in, this is an ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern. So we have one touch here, touch 2 at the top. We have touch 1, touch 2, touch 3. So I'm expecting supposed to be one more touch to the upside, but let's see, guys. It could also be a rising expanding wedge. So because we have several touches here, and same as the top, 1, 2, 3. But there was a resistance here though. Yeah, and we have descending channel here, which is a bullish pattern. So let's see, guys, if this one will break to the upside. So AVAX, we might still see go for ABC correction, deeper ABC correction. So, or if not, this will be already our ABC correction. So but the price right now is doing more of a sideways thing. IOTX, we're still good. Bullish flag. Polkadot, we are on this ascending channel. And if we zoom in, descending channel, so we might see the price go up. So our target would be somewhere here at the top of the channel. So right now it's 28, so somewhere here at 150. 160, somewhere there, guys. Let's see if this one will play it out. Our bearish scenario though, we might drop on this channel here, because just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern, ascending channel, so just be careful, guys. Let's see. Theta, we're still good on this bullish pattern here, on bullish pennant, we're still good. So let's see, guys, but of course bearish scenario, we might drop on this triangle here. Matic, we are on a bullish pennant, and the price already broke on this triangle here, and it created a bullish flag, and we are still expecting the price to reach $2.80. So we're still good, guys. But if you're trading, safest target would be the top of the flagpole. But our all-time high though is somewhere here at $2.80. That's our all-time high. Let's see if we'll have a double top here, or it will break to the all-time high. So let's see, guys. Actually, let's measure the flagpole. Actually, the target has already been reached. So yeah, guys, that would be our safest target. So guys, if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up, and if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below and I'll do the technical analysis for free, because I love you guys. So for now, have a great weekend. Take care. Trade safe. I love you. Bye bye.